To check your transaction history on Wise, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wise website or open a Wise app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your balance and recent activity. Step 3. Access transaction history. Look for the activity or transaction history option in the menu. Click on it to view a detailed list of all your transactions. Step 4. Filter transactions. You can filter your transaction history by date, type, or status. Use the filter options to find specific transactions more easily. Step 5. Download or export. If you need a record of your transactions, look for the option to download or export your transaction history. Choose your preferred format and save it to your device. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Wise whenever you need to.